Alright, what's up guys? Today I guess we're gonna be bullshitting around, trying to get this not to rub as much.
Because it's rubbing terribly.
Yeah, I mean it doesn't rub that bad, but going around corners and shit. I just bought brand new tires. I want to make them last a little bit longer.
Do you have the old ones? Is it showing the camber?
One of the old ones back there.
Oh, this one's the old one? Okay. It was rubbing really bad, as you can tell.
Right there.
If it focuses, yeah.
This is all from slicing through the fender.
The wires from the camber?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Well, most of it.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's a lot.
Yeah.
That's terrible.
So, yeah. I don't want this because I bought these brand new probably like 6 months ago, and just absolutely destroyed them.
I mean, there's still a lot of tread.
Yeah.
You know.
There's still a lot of tread.
It's meaty, but like right here, Zane already destroyed it. Like, look at the difference.
One of them actually already blew out.
Yeah, I had to help him.
And this one
is about to. It has a bubble.
Where's the bubble at? I'm trying to find the bubble. Right here.
Oh, yeah.
That's like literally just about to blow.
Yeah.
Man,
So,
look at that, dude.
I told him to fix it the other day. Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah, so he definitely wants to fix that before his new ones blow out. He doesn't need that happening.
Yeah. I got nothing to do. I came back home early today, so might as well get started on it.
Right.
We gotta clean up this mess of tires.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna show you how to fix a rubbing issue if you got extended lower control arms.
Yeah, we're gonna try to do some shit. I know my caster will help if I move it forward a lot more, and I know that side isn't moved all the way. But that arm is kind of weird, so we'll figure something out.
We'll show you what we're gonna do and tell you if it fixes the issue for him or not.
Yep. So we'll see what happens.
We'll see.
If you don't know where you're rubbing at, paint this shit, and then go drive it really hard, get it to rub a little bit, and then come back, hammer everything that's shaved off. I pretty much know where I'm rubbing at. Up
right
here,
there. Yeah,
up here, and right there on that frame rail. So on all the lips, what I'm gonna do is just cut slits in there, and then hammer them, push them out of the way. Right here, just hammer that shit in. Some people rub over here, but if you're rubbing back there, then that means you need tension rods.
Yeah.
That way you can fix your caster. But if you're this low, you shouldn't be driving without tension rods.
Yeah, no, that's.
Or have an angle kit without tension rods.
So right now, Zane's gonna.
I'm gonna put a couple slits in here. You don't have to, but it makes it a lot easier. Put a couple slits in here. Put a couple slits in here, and just hammer the shit out of it.
Up there.
And then hammer this out. I don't even know if I'm gonna even touch that, honestly. I don't think I need to. I might just hammer it a little bit. That's about it.
Yeah, and that should fix his rubbing issue.
Yeah, it should fix it on this side. Then we'll go to the other side and do the same thing.
Yep. Sweet.
Dope. So you don't have to cut it, but
it's easier.
Yeah.
It's way easier to smash out. And when you're hitting it, you have to use Thor's hammer or else it's not gonna work.
Use a big fucking hammer.
Thor's hammer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And wear long sleeve shirts and glasses.
Yeah, you don't wanna hurt your eyes like Zane over here.
My eyes are fine.
Oh no, he's wearing glasses. No, but he's not wearing a long sleeve.
Another slit right in here.
Where?
Right in here.
Okay, yeah, because he cuts slits and it looks, he's hitting it and it looks easier to come off.
You can even honestly just cut this lip out, but I don't really care right now.
He just wants to drive the car.
Yeah.
I mean, it's working.
You just gotta finesse the hell out of it.
Yeah.
Especially right here, this is gonna be the harder part. But whatever.
I mean, the slits look nice though, they shouldn't be too hard.
No, I'm talking about this.
Where? Oh, that, yeah. A lot of people just tube that, which is what Zane said.
You can cut this shit out and go put tubs in it.
That's what Zane was gonna do.
But I'm poor, I don't have a welder, and I can't make things look good, so.
I have a welder. My dad can make it look good.
I can't.
My dad can do it for you.
Alright. Got some slits in there like you guys already saw. Bang that shit out. Bang that shit out. And then bang this shit out too. Hopefully that's enough.
Hopefully it's not rubbing anymore.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it doesn't look bad. It looks good.
No, it went up.
clean.
It went up a lot.
It went up
The
there
only thing I'm worried
too.
about is this edge right here, which is just creased.
Yeah. Next thing for sure though, if it's still rubbing, he's gonna cut that whole thing out and just.
Yeah, I might just cut it and say fuck it.
Yeah, because that's the best thing to do. I mean, other than that, it doesn't look too bad. We thought it was gonna look worse.
Yeah.
It did move a whole bunch, so hopefully that does stop the
like
rubbing.
this whole lip moved over.
Yeah, so hopefully that does stop the rubbing.
For sure. And then now we gotta do the other side. That's pretty much it.
Sweet. Let's see. We'll keep you guys updated and let you know if this actually worked and quit the rubbing or not.
Oh, it's gonna work. If it doesn't, I'm gonna make it work. Alright. Not on the ground yet, but as you can see,
it's clearing it.
yeah. The only thing that's not is that wheel weight wherever it's at.
It's right there. It just hit the tie rod.
It's hitting the tie rod.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's going on. It's cleared up there, plenty of space, and then when you turn it to the right, it's not even here.
I got a little tire shine on me.
Oh yeah. It has plenty of space. So.
If it didn't rub on this right here, then it ain't rubbing up there.
Yeah. We hammered that in too.
Yeah.
And then I can't show you another angle, but yeah, tire should be good. We're gonna take it for a drive and hopefully it doesn't rub under pressure.
Yeah.
So.
If it does, it's gonna be a lot less either way.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot better than how it was before. So hopefully what we did actually fixed the issue.
Yep.
Just a lot of cutting and smacking. It didn't take too long. It was really quick and simple.
Yeah.
We just gotta do the other side and then we're gonna take it for a drive.
Alright guys, so we got the other side banged out. It ain't rubbing just like the other one. And I think we're good to go.
Let's go take it for a drive.
Yeah, so we'll put it back down on the ground and we'll go take it for a rip. Hopefully it's better.
And then show you that it doesn't rub, hopefully. Alright, how does it feel?
It feels great.
Really?
Yeah, I got out of that little driveway, no rubbing. Haven't really gotten a full lock in. I'm pretty sure it'll still rub a little bit, but
we'll see. He's about to take this first turn. Oh, it rubs still.
It rubs a little bit, but that was
a hard turn. Okay, now you gotta try.
Yeah, it's driving normal. It's not even rubbing.
Yeah, if you were. That's not bad.
I think what was actually rubbing, I think that was the wheel weight, honestly.
Oh wait, I need one of them. What was that?
I think that's a zip tie. I'm not sure.
Do you have a zip tie somewhere? That rattling is exhaust, so
yeah, I'm about to get that cat off of there because that shit's rattling like hell.
Yeah, that's annoying.
Okay.
Try now. You have to turn right. See how it sounds. Huh? It still rubs a little bit.
There. I'm not sure what that is. Like a really weird rub.
Yeah. So it still rubs a little bit, but it definitely did help a lot.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, that didn't even rub at all. Sweet.
Block right there.
Yeah. It's not rubbing, and Zane just did a
Am I gonna make
U-turn. Yeah, you made it. No rubbing.
Yeah,
Okay, that was good.
Yeah, that was no rubbing at full lock. I haven't been able to do that in so long.
Yeah.
But it's just, I feel like with drifting, with the weight transfer,
It's gonna rub a little bit.
it's gonna rub a little, yeah.
But for now, we fixed the issue. If you're just dailing the car,
Yeah.
you're not gonna have any issues. But if you're driving it hard, you still might rub a little bit.
I mean, I don't know. These tires are a little bit taller. They're a 45 series.
yeah.
You could go to a 40 or 35, but I don't want to rub rubber bands. I just don't like that.
That's sketchy.
Other than that, I think that was pretty good. All that
Yeah.
took like what, an hour maybe?
If even, yeah.
That was pretty quick.
Yeah. So it's not that bad of a job.
No, it ain't bad at all.
Yeah. All right, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Deuces.
Later.